Okay guys, now we have one very interesting task we are going to code. So don't worry if you are not into coding side, if you are not a developer, do not worry. This is a very simple process. Everything just a copy paste. All you have to do is click on this mirror guide. That's just a website which is telling you how to do that. So all you have to, what we are doing is, sorry, we have to deploy a smart contract on the blockchain. So how do we do that? So this guide will help you completely how to do that. So how do we get started? So first thing first, so you can just go through this. It's a very straightforward process. So let me show you what we are going to do here. First we have to go to remix. So here's a link, you click on it, and it is loading and okay, let's come back here. It says create a new workspace, and you have to click on this plus icon and give it a name, and let's do it. Okay, click on workspace here. All right, okay, now you just click on this default workspace and click on create a new workspace. Okay, let's give something, scroll testnet. You can give any name you want. All right, and we see some contracts here, so just click one. uh, that's okay. This we do not want this. Just click on this 3 ballet.sol. Now just click on this, create a new file, and let's just type like this, airdrop.sol, airdrop.sol. All right, and let's come back here, click on the contracts folder, create a new file, and that should end with .sol. That's what we did right now. Now we have to copy paste this code. Okay, very straightforward process. Copy it and we paste it here. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, and after that what we have to do is, okay, so if at all you get something, an alert like this, let me just zoom in for you. Just click on OK. That's all you need to do, and you can just go ahead and what you need to change the contract name and symbol. Okay, all right, so this is just for your naming sake. You can just contract, you can change this name to something like scroll, and scroll. Okay, just keep, let me just keep it as scroll, and let me just name it as, yes, you can name it whatever you want, that does not matter. And after that what you need to do is, so click on the solidity compiler and click on compile. So you just have to follow me here, and yeah, let me just show you what we have to do. So just, so if you see here, compilation successful, it shows green mark, so you are good to go. So click on the next icon here on the left side, and now click on this button, environment. It shows remix VM Shanghai. So just click on this, and here you will see injected provider MetaMask. All right, so now we are connecting a wallet to remix. Click on next, continue. All right, and let me just check what test blockchain we are in. Okay, we are in curly, but we need for the scroll, so make sure you are doing it on the scroll testnet. All right, so 0 point, we have some tokens here. All right, and we are good to go. Now all we need to do is just click on deploy here, and wait for a minute. Oh, it should not be a minute, it should come soon. And here we are, just click on confirm, and just can watch out this space, or here it should say contract deployment successful. Yes, deployed contracts we see, or we can just see it. So we have already done with the task. So this was very simple process, but you can just keep repeat this task again and again, so that we are just doing more transaction on this blockchain. But this is a very straightforward process. I hope this was helpful. Alright guys, congratulations. We have pretty much got all the tasks mentioned in the tweet so far. So definitely let's hope that we get the airdrop. So just extra tip, just keep on doing all the tasks repeatedly again and again so that we can increase our airdrop chances. Also, I'll mention another tweet link in the description below. There are such more tasks which you can also try them so that you can increase your chances of airdrop. So alright guys, so I'll definitely meet you in the next video with a new airdrop. Thank you so much for watching so far and grateful for all the support you have given so far. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.